Okay, good morning, Manadal. Today we discuss problems. The first problem is a metallic rod of a length rotate with a frequency omega is equal to frequency nu or n is equal to how much 50 resolution per second. Okay, the length of the rod is equal to length or radius of the rod is equal to 1 meter. We can apply the magnetic field, that is 1 Tesla. We can find the induced EMF. What is the how much induced EMF changes from the metallic rod is keep in a uniform magnetic field. This rod can be rotate some angle, that is this is theta is equal to omega t. Okay, we want to find the angular velocity, induced EMF. Okay, in this case rod rotate free in the move freely on a circular in the rotation metallic rod. This rod move in a rotation with angle theta. According to Lorentz force, the electrons will be disturbed, thus resulting separation in charge carriers, producing the induced EMF. That is, induced EMF for the charge carriers for rod is equal to BLV. That is, motional force induced EMF related to the is equal to BLV. Okay, BLV means here we will only changing the radius. Our radius is changes from D to DR. The radius changes from DR to DR. The finally we can write down the induced EMF D is equal to BV dr. It can be from the above equation, it can be written as BV dr. Integrate on both sides, that is E is equal to R integral dou E is equal to integral BV dr 0 to R. That is 0 to this is R radius. Okay, integrate, that is BV R square by 2. BV is constant, R dr and dr square by 2. Okay, from this equation epsilon induced EMF is equal to V is equal to R omega. Okay, we can in the presence of angular in the presence of frequency, can be written as B omega R square by 2. Okay, from this equation we know frequency, radius and magnetic field. This value substitute in the formula. E is equal to B omega R square by 2. That is B is equal to how much 1 Tesla into frequency how much 50 into radius 1 meter by 2. Omega, suppose omega is equal to 2 pi f or 2 pi nu. This value substitute in the formula. B is equal to 1 into 2 pi into 50 into 1 by 2. 15 25 pi is equal to 3.14. Okay, 3.14 into 2 into 25, we get 157 volts. This is method 1. Another method is also is there, you can prove it. Method 2. To calculate the induced EMF, we can imagine the closed loop OPQ. This is circle OPQ, that is R radius. This part OPQ, this is radius R. Okay, from this equation you can find the OPQ is given area is equal to pi r square into theta by total 360 degrees, that is pi r square is equal to, that is, it can be written as theta by 2 pi 360 degrees. Pi cancel, we get 1 by 2 r square theta. You know r value, you know theta value, substitute. Okay, we get what is the induced EMF? Induced EMF E is equal to minus dou pi by dou t, that is dou pi by dou t. What is the pi? BA. Okay, what is the A? This is the A. Okay, B is constant, B into dy by dt into 1 by 2 r square theta. It can be written as C is equal to B, r is common, by 2 d theta by dt. D theta by dt is the omega, d theta by dt is the angular velocity. Okay, induced EMF is equal to B r by 2 into omega. What is the magnetic field? 1 Tesla. R is equal to 1 meter into omega 2πf. 2πf means 2 into pi into f is equal to 50 by 2. We get 25, that is same 157 volts. This is the first problem with two methods, method 1, method 2. We can find the induced EMF, two methods. Another problem number 2. A square loop side 10 cm, a square loop side is 10 cm and radius is r is equal to 0. Resistance is 0.5 ohms, is placed in a vertically in the east-west direct plane. The uniform magnetic field is 0.1 Tesla. East-west across the plane in north-east direction. The magnetic field is determined to 0 in time second is equal to 0.7 second. Okay, let's determine the magnitude of the induced EMF and current in this duration intervals. Okay, that is north, east, west and east. This is a rectangular square loop is keep in east direction. It can rotate in north to east direction. That is, this is the direction. That is what is the angle? This is angle is 90 degrees. This angle is theta is equal to 45 degrees. Here this is 45, this is 45, total is 90. Okay, we find the induced EMF. What is the induced EMF? What is the current? Okay, we find the induced EMF and current. Okay, theta is equal to 45 degrees, B is equal to 0.1 Tesla, R is equal to 0.5 ohms. Okay, area is equal to radius. What is the area of the square? That is a square. That is area. Radius is equal to how much? The uniform magnetic field, that is 10 centimeters. That is 10 centimeters. One side is equal to 10 centimeters. That is a square. A square means 10 to the power of, it is in a 10 centimeter. It can be changes in the form of centimeters. Meters. That is 10 to the power of -1 meters. Okay, area is equal to a square is equal to 10 to the power of -1 square meter. That is 10 to the power of -2 meters. Okay, these values substitute in the formula according to flux phi is equal to AB cos theta. Okay, this is formula for flux. Okay, and induced EMF is equal to del pi by del t. This is equation for induced EMF. Okay, from the you can find the flux first. Okay, what is the A? This is the A, that is 10 to the power of -2 into B. What is the B? 0.1 Tesla. 0.1 into 0.1 into cos 45 degrees. That means how much? 10 to the power of -3 into 1 by cos 45, 1 by root 2. That is this is the equation number 1. This pi value. Okay, it can be rotated 0 to, what is the magnetic field? That is a pi 1, pi 2 is 0. That is minimum to this is minimum to maximum to minimum reduced. The flux will be pi to 0. That is, it is pi to 0. That means pi 2 is equal to 0. Next, del t is equal to 0.7 second. That is t2 minus t1 is delta t is equal to 0.1 second. This value substitute in the formula. Induced EMF is equal to del pi by del t is equal to pi 2 minus del pi 2 minus pi 1 by what will be pi 1 minus pi 2 is equal to del t. That is, what is the pi value? A is equal to 10 to the power of -3 into 1 by root t by 0.7. Okay, that is root t value, how much? Root 2 value 1.414. This value substitute in the formula, we get 10 to the power of -3 by 0.98. that is approximately 1. That is induced EMF is equal to 10 to the power of -3 volts. That is 1 millivolts. the induced EMF is equal to 1 millivolts. According to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, that is E by R. Okay, E is equal to how much? 24 of minus 3 by ohms. What is the resistance? 0.5. 0.5, that means 1 by 2. 1 by 2 into 24 of minus 3. That is 10 by 2. 0.10 by 2. That means 5 by 10. Okay, 5 by 10. 5 2 ja, 5 ja, 5 2 ja. That is 2 milliamperes. What is the milli? Induced current is equal to 2 milliamperes. Milli and 10 to the power of minus 3 are 2 into 10 to the power of minus 3 amperes. Okay, next problem is, third problem is, a circular coil of radius, having R is equal to 10 centimeter. It having number of turns, N is equal to 500 turns. 500 turns perpendicular to the horizontal. It is horizontal. Okay. Within time period delta t is equal to 0.2 seconds. It rotate 180 degrees. Theta is equal to 180 degrees. 180 degrees. Rotate with 180 degrees in 0.25 seconds. And estimate the magnitude of EMF. What is the induced EMF? What is the induced EMF? What is the current? Okay, that is circle disc, like it have a number of terms. Okay, it is rotate in 180 degrees. If this is 0, it is 180 degrees straight line. It can be rotated from 0 to 180 degrees. Here, what is the area of circular? Area is equal to pi r square. Okay, we find the induced EMF. What is the current? Okay, initially what is the flux? AB cos theta. Okay, that is pi 1 is equal to AB cos theta, means B is equal to how much? R is equal to magnetic field. Okay, it is due to magnetic field to BH, magnetic field due to Earth. Earth magnetic field is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. That is magnetic field due to Earth. BH is equal to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5 Tesla. Okay, according to formula, pi 1 is equal to AB cos theta. A is equal to pi r square. Okay, pi r square. R is equal to how much? 10 centimeters. It can be converted into meters. That is 10 to the power of minus 2 into cos 0. Cos 0, first initial case, it is cos 0. After 180, it is pi 1 and pi 1, it is pi 2. Cos 0, how much? B value, how much? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, cos 0. Just we get pi into 10 to the power of minus 2 into cos 0 1 into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, minus 5 minus, okay, we can do it. pi, okay, 3 pi into 3 pi, 3 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. It is equation number 1. Okay, next what is the final pi 2? Pi 2 is equal to only changing the angle, theta is equal to AB. A means pi into 10 to the power of minus 2 into pi r square. B value into 3 into 10 to the power of minus 5. It is 180, cos 180 minus 1. Okay, minus 1, cos 180, cos 180 degrees is equal to minus 1. Okay, there is a cos 180. Okay, from this equation, pi 1 is equal to 3 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7, equation number 1. Pi 2 is equal to minus 3 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, what is the induced EMF? E is equal to what? E is equal to n dou pi by dou t. That is n is equal to 500 terms, 500 into 3 pi, pi to minus 5, 3 pi minus 3 pi, okay, by del t, 0.25 seconds. Okay, 500, 3 pi into 3 pi, 6 pi, minus plus 3 pi by 0.25. That is, okay, into 10 to the power of minus 7 is common. It is 10 to the power of minus 7 is common. Okay, into 10 to the power of minus 7. Okay, you can write down 500 into 6 pi into 10 to the power of minus 7 into 25 into 10 to the power of plus 2. Can we write as plus 2? Plus 2 అంటే this cancel, 2 into minus 5, it is there, minus 5, that is to 25, 5 5 ja 5, 5 5 25, 5 1 ja 100, 5 1 ja 5, 20 ja, it means 20 into 6 pi into 10 to the power of minus 5. Okay, that is 6 5, pi is equal to 3.14. You can substitute value 20 into 6 into 3.14 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Just we get that is 37.8 into 10 to the power of minus 4. Okay, it can be written as 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 volts. What is the units of induced EMF? Volts. That is can be written as 3.8 millivolts. This is the answer, induced EMF. Okay, due to ring. Okay, next, according to Ohm's law, I is equal to V by R, E by R. E is equal to 3.8 into 10 to the power of minus 3 by R is equal to what? What is equal to how much? 2 ohms. R is equal to 2 ohms. Okay, substitute this one, you get 1.9 into 10 to the power of minus 3 ampere, or 1.9 into milli amperes. This is the current. Thank you.